Have you ever wanted to start earning passive income but didn't have the funds to do so? So in this video, I'll show you 7 low-cost passive income ideas. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe below for more life-changing content. Number 1. Create your own YouTube channel. Every day, ordinary folks like you and me profit from YouTube. While you may use YouTube to pass the time or learn something new, for many people, it is their primary source of money, with much of it coming in the form of passive income. Ads may show every time someone watches one of your videos. You can earn money through the commercials, or your viewers can buy your courses or affiliate products, allowing you to earn money without putting in any additional effort after your video is released. Now, the reality is that maintaining a YouTube channel is far from passive, as growing an audience necessitates regular effort and video production. However, once the video is published, it becomes a digital asset that earns you ad money and perhaps sales over time. So, it appears that your only source of passive income was advertising revenue. What may your final stream be like? Consider the channel Far From Average, which receives over 3 million monthly views and earns the owner over $10,000 in ad income alone. Of course, this is a massive channel, and getting to this stage will take time. But even a smaller channel can make a few $100s every month passively. What's more, creating a YouTube channel doesn't have to be costly. Most YouTubers such as MrBeast, a YouTube sensation with over 20 million subscribers, began their channels on their iPhones. As a result, starting your own channel and earning passive revenue from it should be completely free. Number 2. Make an online shop. With the rise of e-commerce comes the chance to use an online store to generate a passive income stream. Dropshipping in particular has grown in popularity. And if you're unfamiliar with it, here's how it works. You open an internet store that sells items from specific manufacturer. When a customer visits your website and places a purchase, your systems send the order to the appropriate manufacturer. The manufacturer then completes your order by shipping it directly to the buyer, and you profit. One of the appealing aspects of this form of business is that no inventory is required. It has a substantially cheaper initial cost, making it ideal for those with limited funds. Furthermore, establishing a shop might be inexpensive. Many dropshippers set up shop with Shopify, which costs only $30 per month, far less than the thousands of dollars it would cost to create a store in your city. In short, once you've sorted it out, the remainder may be totally automated, allowing you to earn money regardless of what you're doing. Number 3. Start an advertising agency. Consider the number of small enterprises in your city. The majority of them are probably not properly using social media to attract new clients or increase sales. Most people will have a Facebook profile, but it isn't enough to get their message out in today's congested newsfeed. This is where you, as a Facebook ad agency owner, can help. One of the best aspects of this business model is that once a client's advertising campaign is set up and functioning successfully, you'll have very little ongoing work to do. It's a rather hands-off business approach, save from checking in for a few minutes each day. So even after everything has been set up, it is still deemed passive. You can choose to operate as a one-person agency or expand as your client base grows. Learning the art and skill of Facebook ads is doable and inexpensive, even if you have little expertise. There are many basic and intermediate level training on YouTube, and you can even purchase Facebook marketing courses for as little as $15 on sites like Udemy. Offering services like Facebook marketing is advantageous since you're exchanging experience for money, which often requires less cash than operating a real store or developing tangible things. So, how much can a Facebook marketing agency bring in? Facebook specialists typically charge between $100 and $1,000 per month per client, which is why it is one of my favorite passive income ideas. Number 4. Offer selling online courses. Information is the most valuable asset in the 21st century, and selling digital products like online courses is one of the finest ways to capitalize on it. You could be thinking to yourself, I have no idea what I could make a course about. That's perfectly normal. The good news is that there's a market for almost any information product on the internet, from web development to productivity and even journaling. There's something for everyone. You most likely have numerous skills, at least one of which might be used to build a valuable course. What's more, developing an online course is rather inexpensive. Most courses are made up of either audio and a slideshow or a video of the course developer that can be made with your smartphone. So you don't have to spend any money to get started with this passive income strategy. Furthermore, selling your courses can be cost effective because there are several platforms where you can host your course for free and gain a share of the income when you sell it. If you post your course on Udemy, for example, any sale you make using the site's organic traffic will net you 50% of the course's cost. Whereas if you can drive your own sales, you'll net 97% of the purchase price. As a result, with your present knowledge, a computer, and a smartphone, you may start earning passive income right away. Number 5. Ebook sales. Consider self-publishing your own ebook if you enjoy writing but don't want to cope with the technical difficulties that come with blogging. Ebooks are frequently far shorter than traditional books, putting less pressure on you to create a masterpiece. Even better, this approach of earning passive money is rather inexpensive. If you own a computer, you're in luck, since all you need to publish an ebook is a Word document with your text and a cover image. You may now outsource all of your writing, editing, and graphics yourself. But if you want to make your book look more professional, hiring a professional can be quite reasonable. For example, you can buy a decent book cover for $5 on Fiverr, and editing is also available for a low price, that is for roughly $50. You may create an asset that will provide income in eternity. Let's imagine you want to try your hand at the ebook publishing business. Well, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is undoubtedly the most user-friendly platform. It only takes a few minutes to publish a book, and most publications are available in Kindle retailers around the world within 1 to 2 days. You can earn up to 70% royalties on each sale to customers in most countries when you use Amazon KDP. And you can set your own prices and make modifications to your book at any time. Number 6. Create a blog. Starting a blog can be an amazing strategy to earn passive money. If you're skilled or even a mediocre writer, while beginning a blog requires a significant amount of effort upfront, you'll be making money whether you continue to post material or not, after your content is online and gaining popularity in the Google search engine. So, you're probably wondering how a blog makes money. Let me clarify. As your blog gains popularity or traffic, people will interact with it. This can be done by purchasing things through your affiliate links, purchasing courses you provide, or just assisting you in making money through Google AdSense. One thing to keep in mind about this method of passive income generation is that it requires a significant amount of effort, particularly in the beginning. This is because in order to gain traction on your site, you will need to research, write, and market your content. But as I previously stated, once the content is live, it becomes much easier. It will earn you money month after month, and one of the major advantages of creating a blog is the inexpensive initial investment. All you actually need is a domain name and some inexpensive web hosting. GoDaddy, for example, offers no methods for as little as $299 for the first year and less than $30 for 2 years. That gives your site plenty of time to start generating passive income. When it comes to web hosting, HostGator offers it less than $4 per month or less than $50 per year, implying that you may start earning passive money for less than $50 per year. Number 7. Invest in a high-interest savings account. If you have money in the bank and never have given it a second thought, you're most likely not getting the most out of it. Sorry, but using bank accounts to generate passive income will not make you wealthy overnight. Moving your money into a higher earning account will help your money grow at a faster rate than it has been in the past. And the best part is that most banks do not have a minimum balance requirement, which means that even if you don't have much money, you can start earning a little additional interest on what you do have. The average savings account interest rate in 2019 was a pitiful 0.09%. Many individuals are unaware, however, that a variety of better choices are available. For example, if you're searching for a low-risk, high-interest cash account, Betterment Everyday presently gives 2.44% APY, which is more than 27 times the national average, and it's fee-free, so you keep the income you earn. Now, you're undoubtedly wondering how much of a difference this will make over the course of a year. If you have a $500 ordinary savings account, earning 0.09% yearly, you'll earn only $0.4 per year, a pittance. However, putting $12 in a high-interest banking account, paying 2.44% yearly would leave you with $12, which is nothing to get excited about. It requires almost little work and will just grow as you put more money into the account. And there you have it, 7 low-cost passive income ideas to get you started. This will enable you to earn money while sleeping. That's all, folks. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment for more content. See you in the next one.